Have you ever been frustrated when trying to fill out a long form on your phone, only to have the keyboard pop up and mess everything up? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're addressing a common issue with edit text in RecyclerView when the keyboard opens. I totally get it. You're trying to focus on filling out a form, and suddenly the keyboard appears, but your edit text disappears. It's annoying, right? You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why does my edit text in RecyclerView detach when the keyboard opens?" They explain that when they focus on an edit text at the bottom of the screen, it disappears, causing the keyboard to pop up and then close immediately. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's happening here? When the keyboard opens, the window resizes and the RecyclerView detaches the section's view. This can lead to a frustrating experience where the edit text loses focus. Let's break down how to tackle this issue. And stick around. I have a great solution at the end that will help you keep your edit text focused even when the keyboard pops up. To address the issue of the edit text being detached when the keyboard opens, the user should first ensure that the RecyclerView's layout manager is set to a stable configuration. This can help maintain the state of the views during resizing. Next, the user should implement a custom behavior for the RecyclerView. This can be done by overriding the onLayoutChildren method in a custom layout manager to prevent the views from being detached. Additionally, the user can adjust the Windows Soft Input mode in the Android manifest.xml file. Setting it to Adjust Pan temporarily can help manage the focus behavior while testing. Finally, the user should consider implementing a listener for the edit text focus change. This listener can be used to scroll the RecyclerView to ensure the edit text remains visible when focused. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile phones had physical keyboards? Imagine trying to fill out a form on one of those. We've come a long way, but we still face challenges. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using a handler to delay the scrolling of the RecyclerView. They suggest posting a delayed action that smoothly scrolls to the top position after a short wait. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your forms on different devices and screen sizes. This will help you catch any issues with the keyboard and focus behavior before your users do. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your edit text should stay focused even when the keyboard opens. Remember, testing is key to a smooth user experience. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video.